here, Amazon choice, sure, whatever. Okay, so the ASIN can be found in 2 locations, Josh. It can be found in the link. It always starts with the B, I believe. Okay, or if you go down to product description, way down, there you go, product details, it can be found right there. Okay, so the same one. So now once you have the ASIN, go to Sonar. You can put in the ASIN. They all don't show, not all of them will show on the free subscription. Actually, let me copy this because the link I put in the is lead you to Sonar. Place that will lead you right to that search bar. Okay, so you put in this link, just keep it at US, hit ping. Let's see if it comes up. So there it is. So it comes up. Okay, so foam roller. So the breakdown of ℂ𝕕𝐿𝐼's Sonar, or the reverse engineer of other people's sites to see how they're constructing it. On the left are all the keywords that they are using for their listing. So they use 837 keywords. So that's not a lot, considering you can do about 1,000. In fact, I pinged a guy just earlier today. He had 4,000 keywords under his listing. Now this is a combination of your search terms. This is a combination of all the other advanced edits. This is a combination of your bullet points as well as your listing title and your description box too. So it gathers all of the words literally on your listing and then gives you a total right here. So this guy's only got 800. You know, he's not maximizing it when somebody else, let's say his direct competitor, has 4,000. He's almost 5 times more likely to come up on any search. Okay, but let's look at this listing and the breakdown of it. So foam roller is the #1 search term for his listing. It has 5 bars, meaning that is the max volume you can get. The second one is ℂ𝕕𝐺RANE. ℂ𝕕𝐺RANE happens to be a really popular searched term, 4 bars, which is huge for foam rollers. So to give you an idea, when you're constructing your listing, you want all these words. So how do I get these words? Well, you'll notice as I scroll down, when I go way down, they start to blur it out on ℂ𝕕𝐺 because they want you to subscribe. Okay, well, what you can actually do is you can actually download right here. Hit the download button. Where'd you go? Download right here. Begin download. And it will pop up. Download done. Okay, downloaded. There it is. So it went somewhere. Where did you go? There you are. So it created a CSV file for me. It's got all these commas and all this stuff. Let me see if this pops up. I don't have Excel on my laptop anymore. I don't know if this is an Excel file. Shouldn't be. Come on. Open up. Probably wants to open for me. Yeah, it wants to open for me in Excel, but I don't have Excel. But it's going to open like this. But what it's not, for me, what it's not going to let me do is it's not going to let me copy it. It's locked down. But anyways, as you can see now, I have every one, all 800. You can keep going. So it blurred it out on the Sonar, but actually, if you download it, you can get them all. So now, as you see, Josh, these are all heavy, dense foam body. Like, that's a breakdown right there. You could take that list and run with this guy's list of keywords. Start start inputting them all onto your search terms, your search term bars. So now I'll show you how that works. Copy these. Now I can't copy these. Ah, shit. I hate this. I almost have to I have to literally run 2 laptops because on Cedric's laptop he has Excel. So I open it up there, I transfer it to my Google. I fucking should just go buy Excel. It pisses me off. I hate Excel. You have to buy it every year now. It's bullshit. Okay, so next step, anyways, let's go to the next step. So you have all your keywords. You have this first group of keywords. Okay, you can save this down as your keyword set number 1. Okay, now let me go back here. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take those keywords and you're going to actually remove duplicates. You don't need duplicates. You don't need to put the word twice when you're entering them into your search term files. You just want to put them in there once. So ℓ𝕂𝕃.org has a duplicate remover tool. Okay, so you can take, for example, a sentence like this or all those keywords. You can copy them. Then you can paste them in here. And what you can do is then you can then hit one of these buttons, any order. It'll take all these words and any duplicates, it'll remove them. And it'll shrink it down to just individual. So no repetitive words will be, whatever, right? So now that you have all these words, you can now take, so let's say you've gotten 800 words here. From there, you can copy, I think it's 7 lines. So we'll go here. 1, 2, 3, and if you go down 4, 5, 6, 7 highlighted lines, Control C. Now you go over to your listing. Ta-da! You go to the first one, you have 7 lines, and you paste it in there. Okay, and you repeat until you fill up all your bars with the maximum amount of words that you can fit into there. I would show you on the Sonar, but for whatever reason it doesn't want to let me do that. But that's fine. Let me see if I can actually copy it a different way. There sometimes is a copy tool. Is there a copy tool in here? No, there isn't. So okay. So I won't worry about showing you. If you want me to show you how that, like more detail about actually the downloading and taking that download file and compressing it to no duplicates using the second tool, the IP tool, let me know. I'll do that for you. But I think you get the point. Is you can ping other people's listing, get their keywords, compile a master list of like 5,000 words, use that tool to remove all the duplicates, and then start copying and pasting in there. That's one way to build your search terms. You'll get all the words you can think of and more, Josh. It's nothing fancy. Now the second tool that I use is keywordtool.io. I love this tool. I use it a lot for a lot of things. With this tool, you can put in your main keyword, foam roller. Okay. It'll come up with however many 190, so about 100 combinations of your words. So now this is anyone who's on Amazon searching foam roller. In order, this first set they give you is the top 10. So this is the top 10 keyword combinations with the word foam roller in it. So going up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So foam roller and ball. Okay, so those are the top 10 as far as popularity. Okay, after that it just goes alphabetically. Okay, so A, B, C, they just put it in alphabetical order. So now what you can do is you can like highlight them all. You can go copy all. Now it's copied to my clipboard. I can then go over here to remove my duplicates, tracemyip.org, paste it in there. Okay, so this is a fast tool to create, and it's going to remove the duplicate foam roller. So that list of 90 turns into 4 lines. Okay, so again, each line on there takes about 7 lines off of here. So each line on Seller Central takes about 7 lines. So I only got 4, so I can put 3 more lines in there. And there's no